it seems like there is no production history, but you can click this one, settings, and you can show data since November 28, 2008. But that's just for visualization. The computation will not go back to November 2008. It's just for visualization so that you already have a picture of what the forecast will be after, May 2010. Okay, so let's run and let's wait for the calculation for the future. All right, so just by looking at this, you can see that restart will be very, very, very useful if you already have a good match. And starting from the end of the history matching, you just want to forecast. Okay, so you don't need to calculate back to the first time for the early time. Okay, so yeah, we can see a good decline there. But now let's go to the file. What's the difference? So let's go to the files, and now here we start with run spec. Again, the title, start, metric, univout seems very similar. Or maybe I will also show you the master data for the original case, okay? Okay, so what we have on the left is the file with restart, and the right is the original. So we are going to see the difference. So let's see run spec, field, start, metric, univout, dimensions. This is for the dimension. Let's go down to there. You can see the restart. So where do we put our restart? Solution, solution. And we will put our restart there below the solution. Okay? Before the summary. All right. So you see what we are missing. So init, this one for the initialization. For regions, still the same. We have same region. Now for the solution, we have restart. Okay. And after that, summary, and then schedule. Be careful. This one for the report, and this is for the schedule. Wells 2, summary 2, VIP 3, restart 1, well spec CPU 2. Now, I also include restart schedule instead of the original schedule because after the restart, I want to do forecasting. And of course, the schedule will be different. Okay, so restart here, M90 and 18. Okay, so you already got the point. I'm going to close this one first. Okay, and let's go to the schedule. Yeah. So yeah, it's also simple, nothing special actually. So in this updated schedule, we have the setting for the production as well as for the injection. And then just time. The production and injection will continue. And then I just want to know the result for June 20 and 10, and then July 2010, August 2010, September 2010, and so on and so forth, up to the last date, May 2015. Okay, So that's basically it. Okay, what else? Oh, maybe this one. This one, so the setting for the restart is restart. M90 is the name of the file. Okay, so it can be anything. And this number here is the timestamp at which you put your restart. So after the restart, the computation will be started from timestamp 19. Okay, so let's see. If we go back to here, you see, I stop at the timestamp of 18. So the new calculation will start from 19. So that's it. All right. So let's go back and get the, here you go. All right. So, yep, run spec, title, and so on and so forth. Grid, init, and then regions, solution, and then restart. You put restart and make sure that, you know, you change the schedule. Okay. So that's about the script. And after this, we will go to the making of the forecast. And after we do the forecasting using the user interface, we will produce the restart file and we will check again the restart file. Okay, so let's go to the original interface. I mean the original case without this forecast, without the restart. All right, I will go there. Okay, so this is our original case. I only have 18 time step. Okay, 18 time step. I actually can do this. For example, I will first copy this M90 data. Okay, I will copy this M90 data, and let's say after I copy and I have this, okay, I will rename this as M90 underscore restart, and I will just put my restart, let's say after the solution here, restart, and then the name of the file, M90, the original name, and then 13, and then close. And then of course, I change this, like for example, M90 restart, something like this. Okay. And then you just run and you will get the new forecast without going back to the original time. That's it. Simple, right? But instead of doing that, I can also, yeah, I'm not done save. I will make project. So go to project here. Okay, and then additional options, and let's create forecast. Okay, sorry, but before going to forecast, I'm just going to move, let's say, to the 13 time step, this one, and I will create new forecast, but starting from this 13th step. So the new computation will start at time step of 14. Okay,